In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable weather forecasts in the Google Clock app. So if you go to the Google Clock app and you're on the alarm section, if you already have an alarm in here, just tap on a specific alarm and you will see an option for weather forecast. You can tap on this and basically it gives you an option to add local weather. So it says here, receive weather updates for your current location on your clock. The Pixel Weather app collects location data to provide real-time local weather forecasts, even when it is closed or not in use. So what we need to do is we need to update the permission to allow location to be shared. And then that means I will get local weather forecasts with this alarm. And you can just do that with every alarm or certain alarms. And that's basically it.